a small number of patients with a rare disease are currently testing a new drug. This new technology can save scientists an enormous amount of time compared to traditional research techniques. A startup called Insilico Medicine, backed by Nvidia, is using generative artificial intelligence to design new drugs for rare diseases. These types of diseases affect about 300 million people worldwide, but only 5% have a cure. Using generative AI, the company has successfully identified a new compound that can treat idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis, a disease that affects 5 million people worldwide. To identify this compound, Insilico developed an AI platform based on a generative adversarial network, and then integrated its algorithms into the artificial intelligence. After the satisfactory results obtained in the first phase of its clinical trial, the company announced that it is entering the second phase. According to the startup, this is the first time that a drug aimed at a specific target, discovered and designed by artificial intelligence, has reached this stage. This new phase of testing involves evaluating the effectiveness of the compound, which has already been taken orally for 12 weeks in people with idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis. The company now plans to use artificial intelligence to recruit other people with the condition to run more comprehensive and informative tests. Traditionally, the search for drugs for this type of disease was very time-consuming and expensive for laboratories. But the arrival of generative artificial intelligence is changing the game. It has made it possible to discover and design new compounds to combat these rare diseases more quickly. In this case, without the help of artificial intelligence, the research would have cost more than $400 million and would have taken 6 years. Generative artificial intelligence enabled Insilico to achieve this at 1/10 the cost and 1/3 the time. In fact, the company reached the first phase of clinical trials 2.5 years after the start of the project.